Bendixelele nathi sisemthatha, it's day 3 of ABC Mutsipe National Playoffs apha eMthatha Stadium eMthatha kwisizwe ke ekuthiwa liphondo lenqwele. Asizonqwele nje macala onke ke siyavela national. Ndixelele kumnandi kunjani nathi bakhona abantu basokwindawo ngendawo namakhosi akhona lapha ajabulile of course. Kutsho ngokuthi amakhosi ajabulile akhona apha. Terra Maliwa ongenye wezicouts Kaizer Chiefs is here. Ukhumbula loba limpondomisela lapha ekuhlaleni kuthiwa ngumntana omgquba is here today uqinisekisa into bana uchola 1 or 2 or 3 things or players apha ke kule national playoffs. Butera masikwamkele Q media tata.
Enkosi bhuti ndabulela uba lapha nam Q.
Lusuku lwesithathu silapha siqhuba nawe ukhona apha. So far your observation Butera?
I can tell you I've been in almost all the playoffs every season, every year. I think the quality here in terms of how they team plan, how they want to play and the quality of the players, it's much better. I'm not saying it's better than maybe the other ones, but there is something here. Hence you see a lot of possible NFD and PSL team that are here to come and watch.
So in the third good, we are on the right track and they're not going to incumile. So I go to tackle kuzapha.
I think iyona nto eyenza umdla kakhulu into yokuba i-team ezininzi in the last 2-3 years they are using the young players, your 2004, your 2005, 6, 7, which that's what we're looking for. Yeah, that's what interests us. Yeah, but ubona ukuthi kunabantwana abama 18 noma 17 noma 19 abadlala in this league. Yeah, but so we're not far for what I think the modern football is looking for. But we're enjoying ourselves.
Anganibetha amakhosi xa nangakubuza into yobana you being here ingaba bakhona aba 1 2 3 4 or players that you've noticed omhlawumbi if all goes well we might see in the black and gold colors.
Uzukhumbule bhuti mna and I think ndiyenza differently indaba scouting. For me coming here, it's not the first time this bonus in 9 is teams edlala. So what I do, I follow them during their season, and then when we go a provincial final, I go and watch. So the players that are here, it's not the first time I see them. I'm monitoring 1 or 2 players that I've seen before, you know. So it's not something new that people will say, there should be a player that goes to.
Kwezi players does it involve one player from Cape Town that we've seen kuthiwa kukhona a player from Cape Town kuthiwa i-Chiefs idlala iplayer igame one kuthiwa i-Chiefs this and that about i-Chiefs and this play?
I cannot mention the name or say there's a player from Cape Town. Maybe from Limpopo or is from Northern Cape, but I can tell there's 1 or 2 players that we are monitoring that we've seen before. But we wanted to see we want to players idlala province. You want to see them when they play against the other provinces. That was most important thing for him now to say, okay, he's doing well in his own province. Let's see when he plays against other provinces. So that is why I'm here to monitor 1 or 2 of those players.
So not that particular player from Cape Town?
No, there's no particular player for anywhere.
Butera siyabulela kakhulu manje ngethemba into bana konke okuze lapha kuzothi iphuceke. Siyavuya manje simane sinibona ningasilahla ngapha emakhaya.
Thank you so much ndabulela bhuti Q.
Butera Maliwa yena ko omnye ke pha abaqhuquzeli kanye wescouts sayo iKaizer Chiefs esibeka ke story ke ukuthi lapha kwenzeka ntoni na. Uthi ke asiyeke nungxama masilinde the player ekuthethwa ngayo akakathethi into ngayo yena. Sawulinda sawubona wena xa sisondela pha kwi pre-season sise lapha sisonke sikhwa kahle kakhulu.